Most businesses think they've got backups sorted until they try to restore and nothing works. Backing up your data is just one step in the right direction. But here's the problem. Unverified backups can give you a false sense of security. It needs to be properly maintained and tested. For example, maybe your backups did not run properly, or the files are corrupted and can't be restored. To be honest, if you have not tested your backups, you don't actually know if they work. That is why you should do regular testing to ensure data is actually recoverable and you're not just wasting your time. Backups aren't just a luxury, they're a necessity for your business. And testing them, well, that makes the difference between a minor recovery and a full-blown disaster. So if you need help with your backups, reach out to the friendly team at Accel IT and we can help you out.